Good evening, everyone. Last class, we discussed some HTML tags. Those are different tags we are seeing now. So right now we will see Google Map tags. I'm going to share the screen. Sir, keep it in mute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Right now we are going to discuss about Google Map tags. That means the number of websites you can able to see Google Map tags. So for displaying their location, they are going to use. Okay, they're going to use. Right now we will see what are those Google Maps tags in HTML. Okay, right now I'm going to see that one Google Maps HTML. Google Maps is used to display the HTML Google Maps is used to display maps on your web page. That means you can simply add a map on your basic HTML page. On your basic HTML page. That means any HTML page you are having, you can able to map. Right now I'll show you an example. Okay. Got the point? So I'll take one example. In web development, I'm going to take one page that is editor commonly writing the code now. Okay. So I'm going to take one HTML page, new HTML page. In that one, okay. Okay. So here we are having a HTML. So much more screen font will decrease the screen font view. Edit. Okay. View screen font, set font. Here, how much you set the font? 36. Better you will keep 26. Yes. So no need of meta. No need of meta. Here example I'm going to show you. In the body, simple. I'm going to use h1 tag. When I open the tag, we need to close the tag now. Inside the HTML, we're going to write first Google Map example. And inside that one, we are going to take division that ID equal to map. Division ID equal to map I am taken and close that one. My map will go here. Example I'm taken. I'm not displaying anyone, just example I'm taken. I'm going to save Google Map 1. First program na. Then we will execute refresh Google Map 1. Then it will display like this. This is my first Google Map. My map will goes here. So next we need to know set the map size. So how much size we want to set the map size, we can able to keep. That is how we can able to, that means you can set the map size by using some syntax. What is that? We will see right now. Same here we are taken div id. So inside style equal to, okay, here I'm going to mention width 400 pixel, height 400 pixel, background color we will take some, okay, background color gray, like that. I'm taking example, okay, then just refresh, then it will shows like that. In this way you can able to, which one, take some map size. In this way you can able to take some map size. So my next question, how to create a function? My next question is how to create a function to set the map properties. Map properties. My next question, how to set the map properties. Okay. Okay. So right now we will see what are those we can able to do. That means you can set the map properties. You can set the, we'll separate, then you can understand. Set the map properties by creating a function. By creating a function. How? Here the function is my map. My map is the function. What it will do? Okay. Okay. So this example will show an example how we can able to map. I will write that one. We'll show an example. This example, the Google map centered in the some location, London, England. England. That means what are the things we will see right now? We have to use functionalities of Google Maps API. Google Maps API provided by the JavaScript. Provided by the JavaScript library located at the Google. Located at the Google. So use the some example I'm going to show you. maps.googleapi.com. Okay, maps.googleapi.com. Example we will use that one. How we can able to use. How we can able to use. Okay. How we can able to use. Example I'll show you. Example, script type equal to our SRC location now. We need internet for this one. https:// maps.google apis.com/map/api/java.js. Okay, JS callback equal to my map. This way we can able to use script. We can take the script. We will take one example program, then you can able to understand. So this is the same program we will use. Okay. So here we are not using this one. We are going to use the same. But here inside after this one, I'm going to write the script. And script close. In between, I'm going to take one function that is my map. I'm going to take one function is my map. When you open, we need to close immediately. So inside that one, I'm going to take center colon new google dot maps dot lat longitude and latitude lang of some 51.5 comma minus 0.12. This is which one I said na London, center London, that address. Okay, then next zoom, how much? Zoom 10. And my type type ID, my map type ID, sorry. Map type ID colon Google dot maps dot map type ID dot hybrid. Okay, like this. Next, after this one, I'm going to take one more variable map equal to new google dot maps dot map of document dot get element by id which that one map then map options then we need to close. So after function when you take inside the function we need to take one variable map options equal to we need to close here. After that close the script and open one more script script src equal to already you are written here na script js key. We need to mention the key. Okay, some key we need to take from the Google API. Okay, Google API. So copy. We need to keep my map. We are going to use, and we need to close script. We need to close the script. Then we can able to use. Why map is not coming means we need to take the API key. Key equal to here after JS. Here my map, instead of my map we need to take the key JS key equal to, we need to use some key. Okay, how we can able to get API key for, we will see that one. Google, how to get API key for Google Maps in HTML and CSS. Okay, HTML, API and CSS. So here they are saying use some API key. Okay, so go to Google Map platform, credentials page. Then we are going to that page. Okay, we're going to that page. Then create your credentials. Here they are saying now what they are saying. Hmm. Here they are saying on the credentials, create credentials API key. Credentials key and credentials. Create project or anything. You can use some name and we need to give any name. Okay, we need to give any name. Okay, and Venkat I am taking. Browse organization, it is asking. No organization. Create. Created. Then we will get API key. We can able to check like this. Number of things are having. Finish account setup. Then finish account setup to get API key and add them your site. So a site having you can keep, otherwise no need to. Okay, otherwise no need to. It is taking some time. So different website here. I'm taken my own website. Key. It is taking long time. Now viewing project in organization. Okay. Then we will get API key. For that API key, we will get the which one? Which one? API key to place the key to display the map. So what are the map things are having? Here we are used some things now. What are those in a code? We are used map options. Here we are using map options. And the next one we are used center, zoom, and map type ID. So what are these? We will see. We will give some small description about that one. Okay. So what is meant by my options? It is variable. It is variable which defines the properties for the map. Properties for the map. Next one we are used center. It specifies to center the map. That means using latitude and longitude coordinates. Latitude and longitude coordinates. Okay, next we are used the zoom. What zoom will do? It specifies the zoom level for the map. Zoom level for the map. Try to experiment. Then you can able to know. Try to experiment with the zoom level. How much maximum zoom level is having for a mobile's camera having zoom na? Like that we are having zoom for maps also. It specifies the map type to display. Okay, that means number of options are having. Okay, what are the map types are supported? What are the map types are supported? We will see right now. Roadmap, roadmap, satellite map, and
బాగా
hybrid
వీడియో
and
ఆన్ చేస్తా.
terrain. These are the maps are supported in HTML. Okay. Sir, in single page, you can able to show the multiple maps. Yes, we can able to show the multiple maps in a single page. Multiple maps in a, it is taking much more longer time. When it created, we will see up to that one, we'll see some HTML semantics. What is meant by semantics? Okay, semantics of HTML. HTML semantics. What are the semantics are having? We will see those. Okay, HTML semantics. HTML semantics. In any language, it is essential. It is essential okay. Okay. It is essential to understand the meaning of words during communication. That means if this computer communication, if this computer communication, then it becomes more critical. So HTML5 provides more semantics elements which may easy understanding of the code. You can easily understand the code. So semantics defines the meaning of the words and parses. That means how it will go. That means that is semantic element equal to elements equal to elements which meaning semantic elements have simple and clear meaning for both. Meaning for both. Meaning for both. Meaning for both. Okay, that we need to understand. So HTML, what are those things are having? HTML4, in HTML4, we are seeing div, span, those are non-semantic element. They don't tell any about the content. Okay, example, I'll tell you. In HTML4, we have seen div tag and span tag, etc. Number of also having are which are non-semantic. Non-semantic elements. That means they don't tell anything about the content. On the other hand, that means another tags also having. Other hand, we're having form tag, like table tag, like article tag, article tag, etc. etc. are semantic tags. Semantic tags because they clearly defines content. Their content. Okay. So HTML5 semantic elements are supported by all major browsers. So HTML5 semantic elements are supported by all major elements. So why to use a semantic element? We need question. Why to use semantic elements? Why we need to use those semantic elements? In HTML4 developers, have used their own ID or class names to style elements. Okay, those are header, top, bottom, footer, menu, navigation, main, container, content, article, sidebar, top navbar. That means like that we are having a number of. We need to understand this is so difficult for search engine to identify the correct web page. Correct web page. That is a problem to identify the correct web page content. But now we are having, now we have HTML5, HTML5 elements. What are those? Header, footer, and here we are seeing all session and article. We are divide the page and see in different ways now. This is will become easier. This is become easier. It now allows which one? Allows data to be shared and reused applications across applications and enterprises and communities. Anywhere you can able to use. Anywhere you can able to use. Okay. Anywhere semantic elements, we need to understand here one more thing. Semantic elements can increase accessibility of your website. Of your website. And also helps to create website structure. So already we are seeing those footer, header, those all HTML. Some we will see some important. What are those, sir? Already we are seeing, but just I am writing semantic elements in HTML. Fine. Semantic elements in HTML. Fine. What are those? First one, article and aside and details and fig option, FIG caption, sorry. Already we have seen we need to give the caption for the image. Next to figure, image, footer, header and main and mark and navigation, session, summary and time. These all are the things you are having. HTML5 elements. HTML5 elements are used for different purposes. Okay, used for different purposes. Already we are seeing these tags. So no need of much more information. Header, footer already we are seen. But we need to know HTML next stage was migration. HTML migration. What is meant by HTML migration? HTML5 migration. That HTML5 migration, HTML5 migration specifies that how to migrate from HTML4 to HTML5. Okay, how we can able to see. Let's see how to convert HTML4 to 4 page into HTML4 page into HTML5 page without any problem. Without any problem. Okay. Without any problem in the content or structure. For that one, in HTML4, how we can able to write? In HTML5, how we can able to write? So first we'll see HTML4 in HTML4 and in HTML5. In HTML4, we need to write div id equal to header. Header. Okay. But in HTML5, directly you can able to write header. And next one, div id equal to menu. Okay. In HTML5 directly name. Already we are seen, but easy way to understand I'm telling. Easy way to understand I'm telling. Okay. Next, div id equal to content. How to do that one? Just a section. Just a section. Next, div id equal to article. Article. Just here article. Just article. Next, div id footer. Footer. Just here footer. Last where they are decreased. Okay, they decreased. That is the problem. Okay, they decreased. So we can easily write the code. We can easily write the code. Okay, when compared to HTML4 and 5, you can easily write the code in HTML4 and HTML5. Okay, and next, this is the thing we need to understand. Next one is HTML color names. HTML color names. How many you are having? 500 plus HTML color names are having. This we will see in tomorrow, but we will see one introduction. There is a given list of HTML color names that is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Okay. Hexadecimal code alphabetically. Alphabetically, how we can able to see color names of all HTML color names with hexadecimal code alphabetically. Okay, that is it is arranged from A to Z. A to Z. But these we will see tomorrow. How we can able, what are the colors of A, B, C, D, those all we will see. Okay. Okay, those we will see tomorrow. Everyone. Okay. Thank you. For today's session, having any doubts, ask me how we can able to add that. It is taking much time. Maybe this Google Maps after creation. Tomorrow we will see this one also.